cyclone is imminent. A few hours of organised family action can turn the odds your way. We present this advice from the Darwin Weather Bureau and the Northern Territory Emergency Services Organisation as a community service for top-end listeners. Make sure your communications are secure. Check your transistor radio and spare batteries. Keep tuned to radio or television news broadcasts. Batten down your house by making sure all doors and windows are securely fastened or strengthened by diagonal strips of heavy adhesive tape. Remove all pictures from walls and all table ornaments. These could be lethal. Anything on your property that could be a wind-borne missile, including rubbish tins, outdoor furniture, dead branches, toys and tools, should be anchored or taken inside. Store drinking water in bathtubs and bottles, and check emergency supplies and tools. When a cyclone comes, remain calm and stay inside. Keep listening to Weather Bureau messages in case the cyclone curves